All
right, folks, this is Rob Tiffany with your IoT Minute. Tonight, I am really privileged to be here with the father of the Internet of Things, Drew Lapsley. Say hi, Drew.
Hi, Drew.
Yeah, we love that. Drew's got a story to tell you. You may think you know about the Internet of Things and where it came from. You may think it's a recent phenomenon. I'm here to tell you there's nothing recent about it. Tell us all about it, Drew. Tell me your story.
In 1992, I was in graduate school, graduate degree in engineering, writing software hoping to connect monitoring systems across manufacturing and oil field pipeline sites.
Woo!
I was thinking of using an X25 network.
We all remember X25, right?
X25, very digital, very non-digital, very linear. And what's non-linear?
I don't know.
Whatever.
Non-linear is kind of like Pulp Fiction was non-linear.
Yes, Pulp Fiction was non-linear.
Yeah, all right.
So my graduate supervisor, Dr. Brian Gaines, had a good friend who worked at CERN in Switzerland named Tim Lee.
Tim Lee?
Yeah, that
like
would be
Tim
Berners-Lee.
Woo!
And he said, you know, you should probably check out this thing Tim's working on, the hypertext transfer protocol. It allows you to send packets across the internet and communicate. I did.
They were probably calling it the ARPANET back then, weren't
they? It was
they?
almost the ARPANET.
Yeah.
Thank you, DIA. And at the end of the day, I wrote the software, and I think in 1992, when I published my thesis, which is archived in the National Archives of Canada, that I had the first full application of connecting manufacturing and pipeline systems to the internet via HTTP. I was actually on the HTTP working group for several years.
Dude, nobody can say that. That's
right.
awesome.
Who else can say that?
Who else can say that?
And
so you had controllers and pipelines and
yes,
you were
all communicating via HTTP. And I wrote my thesis and I wrote my software, and I was actually a Mosaic coder.
A Mosaic code. Does everyone know what Mosaic is?
Yeah, that was what we used
for all
back
you
in the
kids
dark
here,
ages.
Uncle Drew's going to
Yeah.
tell you about Mosaic.
Back when your phones had rotary dials, the internet used Unix computers and Mosaic browsers across the Motif interface, which I programmed in.
That's before Netscape.
Yes.
They probably don't even know what Netscape
And in
is.
fact,
do they?
my good friend Paul Schermerhorn and I hacked the original Mosaic browser so that it would print schematics of our pipelines, and those same routines made it into the very first Netscape browser.
Hey, Mark Andreessen,
Yeah,
you owe this guy
right
some
here.
money.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Well, and also the whole world needs royalty checks for every IoT
Hey,
thing.
LoudCloud, next time you connect the fridge to the internet, Drew wants his piece.
Exactly. I am so glad you joined us today on the
It's a
IoT
pleasure.
Minute.
Thanks for having me
This
on.
is great. And we're here, just let me do a little quick pan around this amazing establishment. This is the Dell. This is an amazing restaurant here in Houston. Here's the owner.
Hello.
Hi, Tim.
Hi.
Not Tim Berners-Lee.
And earlier, I sang the Violent Femmes with the band, so I'm a
Absolutely.
multitasking
Lots of talent.
kind of guy. A lot of talent in the room tonight.
Absolutely. All right, we are out.
Thanks, Rob. Mwah.
Oh, yeah.